people, welcome back to our channel. So in this week's video, I'm going to be making another hairstyle. I will be trying on this V-part wig. So it's a straight wig. It's 12 inches. It's a straight wig. It's 12 inches, and you can find it on our website, zillions.com. So go ahead and cut it open, and then we continue with our installation. So I washed the hair, I straightened it. So let's see how I will blend it with my hair.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby.
So I'm going to go ahead and leave out some hair, some middle. I'm going to blend, so I'm going to leave out some hair, and by the side too.
Years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said.
So there's some clips inside. I will go ahead and fix those too, and also tie the hair at the back. So now it all feels secure.
All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed,
Yes, so this is how I have been able to blend this wig. I love that it perfectly matches my natural hair. I think this is becoming my favorite wig. So yeah, I love how it has turned out. Such a beautiful piece. Again, you can find this hair on our website, zillions.com. This one is 12 inches.
A buzz on in my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes.
So this is one way I can be able to style this wig.
You and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard. You take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want. Oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal. Just wait and see. Well, the sun's up, you wake up, an angel in the morning light. And I don't ever wanna leave, the bed's messed up just right. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down, baby, just you and I. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want.
So another way is to make those pigtails, and you hold your hair at the back.
Oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal. Just wait and see. I've known it since I met you. This love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we wanna be. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want. Oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives.
So the other way is to pull the hair back. I love how versatile this wig can be. So because of the hair that I had left out, I'm going to go ahead and blend it all going to the back. Now because I had just washed my hair, I wasn't intending on using any gel, but you can go ahead and use some gel and you will hold it flat. Okay, so you use the remaining hair to cover up any parts of the wig that may be showing.
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Fanática la luce porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Ella me dice que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si tú perreas más, me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta. Como tú te mueves así, bien, bien, mami, y con gusto toda la vuelta. Fresca como la playa de Miami, conmigo, mami, tú estás suelta. Tú sabes cómo es, no solo mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, plata, tú sabes cómo es, no solo.
So you use the headband to cover up any parts of the wig that might be showing, and then you hold your puff, and there you are. Yes, so this is how all these hairstyles can be achieved. That's how versatile this wig is, and I really love it. I think it's a great addition in everyone's wig collection. It can be used as an everyday wig.
Contra la pared, no me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Esa mujer.
When I tell you, I'm loving the style, I'm loving the inches, my friend. So find this wig on our website, zillions.com. And this is the end of this week's video. If you're new here, you're welcome to our channel. Those who are returning, thank you so much for coming by. I will see you all in our next video, and please consider subscribing to the channel.
Juguetería,
Cheers.
a lo Toy Story, yo soy.